to mHUB Inside. This is our intro video to kind of show you what the channel is going to be about, introduce the space, introduce the labs, and hopefully the content that you will be seeing on this channel. My name is Quinn Campbell. I'm one of the shop techs here. I'm going to be walking you through the space, giving you some of that technical overview of what's going to be happening here.
And I'm Kim. I work in the marketing department at mHUB. So we wanted to tell you quickly about the organization. mHUB is an innovation center that supports physical and hardtech hardware product development and early stage startups. We also have an accelerator program that makes direct investments into early stage entrepreneurs. And we have a research and development arm that supports corporate and small and medium-sized manufacturers, all happening under this roof. So we wanted to give you the lay of the land as we release new videos for mHUB Inside, and come join us.
So let's check out the space.
Okay, so before we jump into a shop tour with Quinn, which is in this general area, let's do a quick intro into the mHUB co-working spaces just to show you some of the shared spaces here. We also have event space, conference rooms, classrooms, a loading dock. We also have software where you can do product design tools or anything else you might need to launch and grow a company. So just wanted to show you this, but let's go join Quinn for a shop tour.
So the first lab that we're coming into is the electronics lab. You're going to see a couple of test benches with a variety of equipment, everything from soldering irons to waveform generators, pick and place. Over here we have a SMT pick and place machine with a reflow oven, so you can make your own circuit boards for testing and props. We have a little bit of a textiles lab that's going to be coming up. You want to move that way so you don't run into the table on your other side.
And we have a David spotting.
And there's a David spotting.
Hello.
You'll see him in a variety of videos as well.
David,
over here,
David,
there's a David.
Oh, yeah.
You want to introduce yourself? We have our plastics CNC lab, as well as some UV printing and an injection molder. A textiles area with a CNC embroidery and a number of sewing machines. Our desks are going to be off to your right, a little bit messy at the moment, but we're always around for questions and such.
I really wanted to do a close-up of your desk to show how messy
it's
it
awful.
was.
No.
It has one of the most epic mess desks I've ever seen.
With the size of the monitor distracts from that.
It's appropriate for your job.
Over here is our CNC and cold metals area. So a number of CNC Tormax, lathe, mill, a bunch of accoutrement, hand machines.
The Tormax, we use one of the Tormax on a video that we have on the site right now for Skate Cap when we were making a pallet for the cart production.
Yep. Down this aisle is going to be a CT scanner or test lab, some plastic working stuff, a vacuum former, line bending machine, and some more of our desks.
And also on the YouTube channel right now, we have a 20 questions with the CT scanner video, so watch that.
Yep. Over here is going to be our welding grinding lab, so MIG, TIG, that kind of stuff. Finishing lab with with tumbling equipment, painting, powder coating, oven, that kind of stuff is going to be that messy corner over there, painting as well. Fiber laser machine for cutting of sheet metal. You can see a variety of CO2 laser cutters as well.
You're probably picking up on a bit of the background white noise of things, of machines running right now. But
a number of garages. Those are member rentable spaces, and then assembly tables where you're probably going to see us actually putting together whatever projects that is on this channel. Please let us know if there's any cool stuff that you want to see us build or any weird techniques you want us to go through. Future videos on expanding upon something that we might have made in a previous video. We'd love to hear the feedback. This lab is 3D printing, so we have a number of Stratasys 3D printers, an EOS SLS, a couple of Forum Labs, some Lowell spots, a couple of little guys whose names I'm forgetting at the moment. You can see a variety of different stuff on the table, of things that we printed, of samples and fun things.
test objects.
Test objects. We run 3D printing batches every week as well. So.
And we have a wood shop that we're going to jump to, but we have to go to a different part of the building, so we will meet you there.
It's quite far away, so we'll see you in a second.
All right, in the wood shop, so we're just going to tell you a little bit more about the actual channel now that you've seen who mHUB is, what the space is. Also, just to give you an idea of the types of members and companies that we have. We have, companies that are designing wireless mesh networks. We have companies that are designing wearables for worker safety and also chronic disease management. Companies designing autonomous driving tractors for the farming industry. So really some impressive technology. What this channel is going to be is a little bit lower tech, just to show you the capabilities of the machines, what we can do, but we're going to do it with more fun projects and processes.
Yeah. So a lot of it's going to be shop projects that are things to improve the facility for members to be able to use equipment better or easier, new tools. I'm a little biased towards some of the labs that I manage, so I'm going to try and balance that out a little bit. As I was saying, please let us know if there's any weird thing that you saw that you'd like to see an explanation of how we built it, or let us know things you'd like to see us build. We're totally open to that kind of stuff as well.
And so as Quinn mentioned, he has areas of expertise, and David, who maybe or maybe not made an appearance in this video, he was in the background somewhere, also has different areas of expertise. So, we'll bring different personalities into the process, just depending on skill, and maybe even introduce other members of the mHUB staff and team as we're moving around the space. We'll do some vlogging style videos, kind of like this, so we can give you guys some fresh content on a regular basis, but then we'll do more produced videos that's probably more once a month that, go through a full project start to finish and are more of a complete type of video. So right now the goal is to release videos
every other Thursday, essentially?
Not every
Second
other.
Tuesday,
I made it more
Thursday,
complicated by
Thursday?
saying second Thursday and last Thursday of the month. So follow us and join us on Thursdays when we
So make sure to subscribe so you get notifications, hit that bell icon.
do it now. And we'll see you the next Thursday, or the last Thursday,
You'll
or
see
the
us
second
soon.
Thursday,
You'll see
whenever
us
this
on
one
a Thursday
posts.
coming into a store near you.
So thanks for joining us, and follow the channel and let us know what you want to see. Bye.
Adios.